Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor here. Now we're going to go over the other type of formula. We come down here to leveling, and we have the cost formula. The last one we briefly spoke over the XP formula. If we go ahead and create the XP or the cost formula, sorry, again, you'll see that there's only one function to override. And this one has even less because obviously we're not keeping track of levels, at least not in the same way. And if we go ahead and break this open, this gives you everything that you may need. Um, Spending rules here is the structure. So we can go ahead and break this again, and it gives you more information. So there's really a lot that you can do to create your own unique experience. What's what I'm looking for? Experience rules for your own Souls-like type game. That way, you're not stuck with what is already there traditionally. You can make your own rules now based off of what is here. So, quite honestly, uh, go ham, have fun with it. This gives you everything that you need to have your system be your system. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.